over the interval of 0 to 2 of y equals x squared plus 3x minus 8. And then we're going to find the equation of the secant line. So average rate of change, aka AROC, average rate of change, is the slope between 2 points. Okay, so if I have a function, say it looks like this, and I want to find the average rate of change between this point and this point. Rate of change just means slope. So in order to find the average slope, we just kind of connect those 2 points with a line, and that line is called the secant line. So when we say average rate of change, what that means is finding the slope of the secant line. Okay. All right, so we are given 2 x values. All we have to do is find the slope between those values. So it's going to be, I'll just use f of x notations. That's going to be f of 2 minus f of 0 over 2 minus 0. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is going to be, if I plug in 2, that's going to be 4 plus 6 minus 8 minus, and then if I plug in 0, I get 0 plus 0 minus 8 divided by 2, which is 10 minus 8 is 2 minus negative 8 plus 8 over 2. So that's 10 over 2, which is 5. So our slope is 5. And then the equation of the secant line. So a secant line is a line where the slope is the average rate of change. So I'm going to do y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And which point do I want to use? I could use 0, negative 8, or I could use 2, 2. So I can use either point, and they're both going to be the same answer. So I'm going to use 0, negative 8. So that'd be y minus negative 8 is equal to m, our AROC, average rate of change, times x minus 0. And I'm just going to leave my answer like that. It is point slope form of a line. So again, the equation of a secant line, you could start with your x value, find the y coordinate, which in this case is negative 8 at x equals 0. Or you can plug in x equals 2. And if I plugged in x equals 2, I would get 2. And then just do y minus y1 equals m, the slope of the secant, aka the average rate of change, aka the slope between 2 points, times x minus your x1. And that's it.